on the roof getting high, high, high. Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead, ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are, I do it for it's my fault. Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead, ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are.
Yeah, I'll be after that, half and half on a Palmer G. I got your girl calling, told me meet me at the beach. I'm aware hollering in Main Street at the colony. Starlight was bright with the last night. Now she's calling. The rules might bend to break, that'll remain hidden. Like we're throwing down when Mary's away on business. That's back deck says flower dress, long hair, blurred nights, but we still taking care. We rep the fam. Wake up way too early, get some food and dine and dash. Too hungover to know the difference between this and that. Focus on how to open her up and approach her with class. Weekends lose they meaning every evening like the last.
Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead, ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are, I do it for it's my fault. Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead, ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are, I do it for it's my fault.
I can't keep up with the tempo.
That's right, he's right, alright, let's ride.
Now, what you tryna get into?
Let's find some time tonight.
Yeah, rootin' and forget to pick up the 750 a dry gym for Fifth Ave liquors. Us kids are wavy, waving the sweeties on the street. Sticker slap the fam logo right up on the damn hood of a Jeep. No cloud in the sky, but clouds in my mind. She with another man, now wondering why. Comfortable surrounded, never not the full stride. We'll see your ass tomorrow, so don't call it goodbye. And
blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead, ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are, I do it for it's my fault. Blow my smoke in the sky, still ignoring advice. On the roof getting high, sipping on my so cold. Live it up till I'm dead, ignorance in my head. Fuck whoever you are, I do it for it's my fault.
I can't keep up with the tempo.
That's right, he's right, alright, let's ride.
Now, what you tryna get into?
Let's find some time tonight.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is the bright side. Bring your friends and shut it down. I hope everyone's having a good time playing it. Summer of 2012. If it's summer of 2040, play this shit a little bit louder. Cause we making timeless music, man. This is the fresh air movement. And if you don't fuck with us, that's fine. Yeah.